guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I woke up and it's like 10:30 right now, I think. I'm going to esthetician school, as you guys know, and I went to school for a week with my classmates in class, and then the coronavirus happened, so we've been doing it online since then. So today's the first time I get to see my class in person. We're meeting at Cute Panera and we're gonna eat, and I don't know, but I'm excited to see them. Hey guys! You look so cute! Pam's here!
Hey, hi! How you doing?
Hey. Pam!
Let's eat them in here or not.
They will.
Super good.
You made them?
Yeah.
Yay! Thanks, Pam! Thanks for the cupcakes, Pam.
Welcome.
Bye, ladies. Love you all. Love you. Bye, Pam.
Bye, honey. Love ya.
Bye. Bye, Brighton. Bye. So that was super fun. I got to see my girls. Pam gave me cupcakes, which was awesome. Now I'm heading home and me and Sterling are going to drive. That window's so noisy, I can't talk. I'll just talk when I get home. So now we're going over to, is Travis your boss?
Kinda.
He's actually letting us borrow his truck so we can go pick up a motorcycle that's 3 hours away. He's a pretty great friend if you ask me. Shout out to Travis for letting us use his truck so we don't have to listen to this.
I didn't realize how bad that was.
It's so loud. We have to what?
Get the keys, then go to his house.
Yeah.
Get his truck, and then get the trailer.
I keep forgetting. This is Sterling's work. It's a pretty cool place. You got it? Let's run. Bye, thanks Travis. We got the truck, yay! Ooh, it's so fancy in here. All right, teach me how. Bug just hit my face. That's it, perfect, let's go. Look how tan I look.
I'm trying to teach you something.
Travis, your truck is so tall. It's up to my neck. All right, honey, you're doing great. All right, thanks Rick McGee and Amy for letting us use your trailer. Ask me that again.
Do you have a zip tie?
Why would I have a zip tie? All right, are you ready for the drive? On a serious note, can we go get food?
Yeah.
Yay, we found a Brahms.
And a guy with no house.
Oh, yeah, there he is.
Maybe he does have a house. I think he's on
He's
the
just
phone.
playing with popcorn.
I think he's playing Candy Crush or something.
So soggy out here. Yum 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 yum. Thanks, babe.
You're welcome.
Just ordered. Yum yum yum. Yeah yeah yeah. It's everything. I am so excited. Well, we made it. Sterling got the motorcycle. Look how long this worm is.
Should we let him ride the bike home?
Oh my
Holy-
goodness, worms are
It's
so
a snake.
gross. Have fun, worm. Now let's go home. Thank you to that wonderful couple for selling Sterling this bike because he's super happy about it.
Yeah.
This road is really skinny, but it's super cute. Where are we? I want a picture. If anyone's interested, we drove a little bit and the worm is still riding with us. So one of the straps came undone. It twirled around that and it like broke this.
Well, this was flapping and I think it caught on these weird chains.
And it just like went everywhere. Our friend doesn't want to ride with us anymore. He's going down into the grass. I think I want to name him Roger. Bye, little Roger. See you later. That's lucky. We're pretty sure his screw fell off somewhere, but it fell right in this crack, so we found it. Hey.
This might not be from the bike.
Now we're in Fayetteville, I think it's called, and we're looking at the University of Arkansas stuff.
This is a football stadium.
This is a football stadium. This is huge. That's cool. The sky is so blue. I want to live in this one. Look at those like vines. That's pretty cool. Is that a house?
I think that's a frat house.
That's so cool. All the buildings here are just super cool. Like, everything is just super cool.
He lived on that one right there on the corner, on the second story, like up those cool stairs.
That's awesome. I'm jealous. These buildings look really cool and big.
Yeah, these are like from that movie you like.
Oh my goodness.
I thought, I might be wrong, but I think it has each, like almost every single species of trees in North America.
In this park?
Yeah, it has every single different tree.
That's so cool.
There's a moped.
Hey, moped. Everything's just so cool. Oh my goodness. Well, I'm glad you took me there. Thanks, babe. That was cool. I don't think I've ever seen a Walmart gas station, like a real one. We made it. Just wanted to give a shout out to Travis for letting us use his truck, and a shout out to Rick McGee and Amy for letting us use their trailer.
Thanks, guys.
You're letting Sterling accomplish his dreams. Thanks, guys. How you feeling? You got a motorcycle today.
We'll find out probably after I ride it home. It still hasn't set in. And the paint's pretty bad.
Yeah, there's a few things I think Sterling are gonna touch up on the bike, like the paint and the front of it. There's a few.
The whole thing.
No, but like the motor is so good and it runs good. I just meant like exterior thing. Wait. Yeah, exterior things you're gonna fix up to make it look better.
Which is weird because I usually buy stuff that looks good that doesn't run. But this time I bought something that runs that doesn't look good.
Yeah.
And I'm not good at exterior stuff.
You don't know that. This is your first one.
Maybe, yeah.
Okay, so we just dropped off the trailer and now we're going to drop off Travis's truck, and Sterling has a motorcycle now. And here's some footage of him driving. He looks so cute on his bike. Oh, he keeps on going way too fast and I can't keep up. Alright, see ya. Thanks for letting us use your truck. You're the best.